So this is the deluxe version from Decision Games that is a recent publication. A little quick unboxing. Note that it's kind of standard size box, not a 3-incher. And we'll open this up and see what's inside. So we have the box open now. Got a few little baggies. And one little dice in a bag. We have instructions. Color. Nice, not glassy paper. Matte finish on that. Nice. We have a here. The communist single-sided. Allies. Also a single. This is single-sided, and it looks like combat's chart. Oh, another one, probably for each player. And we have Tranche effect chart, bombing table. Another one, so one for each player, double-sided, and we have honors, kind of a small sheet here. Another sheet, a bit bigger than a 1/4 size, and we have the map board. In plastic. 2, they're mounted. Quite nice. And supposedly, these are the new features for that. And it's the back of the box. So that's just a quick unboxing since there's not a lot of info on this at the moment.